Hey there, festival lovers! Let's dive into the rich history of the Ijebu people and their unique Ojude Oba Festival. First off, who are the Ijebu people? The Ijebu are an ethnic group hailing from the southwestern part of Nigeria. They are known for their entrepreneurial spirit and deep cultural roots. Historically, the Ijebu kingdom was one of the most powerful and influential in Yoruba land, dating back to the 15th century. Now let's talk about the Ojude Oba Festival. This festival is a vibrant and colorful spectacle held annually on the third day after Eid el-Kabir. It's a time when the Ijebu people gather to honor their king, the Awujale of Ijebuland. What makes the Ojude Oba Festival so unique? Well, it's a blend of tradition, religion, and modernity. Imagine a parade of different age groups, known as Regberegbe, each dressed in stunning traditional attire. They march in unity, showcasing their culture and paying homage to their king. It's a visual feast. The festival also features equestrian displays, with riders showcasing their skills and beautifully adorned horses. This aspect of the festival dates back to the time when the Ijebu warriors would demonstrate their prowess to the king. It's a thrilling sight that adds to the festival's uniqueness. But beyond the colors and festivities, the Ojude Oba Festival holds great significance. It's a time for the Ijebu people to reconnect with their roots and celebrate their shared heritage. It strengthens community bonds and fosters a sense of unity and pride. The festival also has a significant economic impact. It attracts thousands of visitors, boosting local businesses and contributing to the region's economy. Hotels, restaurants, and vendors all benefit from the influx of tourists. It's a win-win for everyone. In terms of influence, the Ojude Oba Festival is not just a local event. It has gained national and international recognition. Dignitaries from across Nigeria and beyond attend the festival, highlighting the cultural richness of the Ijebu people. It's a source of pride and a testament to the enduring legacy of the Ijebu culture. So, there you have it. The Ojude Oba Festival is more than just a celebration. It's a deep cultural experience that showcases the history, tradition, and vibrancy of the Ijebu people. Whether you're a festival lover or a cultural enthusiast, this is one event you don't want to miss. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this dive into the history of the Ijebu people and their Ojude Oba Festival, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating cultural insights. Catch you in the